Hello, children. I hope you all are fine and studying well. So, in the last class, we started lesson 3 large numbers, in which you studied how to write large numbers in figures and words. Children, in this class, you will get to know how to write large numbers in expanded form, in short form, concept of predecessor and successor. So, let's begin our class. Children, do you know what is the meaning of expanded form? In expanded form, we break the digits of the given number to their place value and expand it to show the value of each digit. To write the numbers in expanded form, you need to follow two basic steps. First, write the value of each digit according to its place value chart. Then, sum up or add the numbers. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Take a number, say 4678. If you have to write this number in expanded form, first thing you have to do to make a place value chart. Then arrange the given digits in this place value chart. So, from this place value chart, what did you observe? The 4 is in thousands place. So, here you have to multiply this with 1000. So, what you will get? 4000. 6 is in hundreds place. So, multiply 6 with 100. You will get 600. 7 is in tens place. Multiply with 10 and you will get 70. And digit 8 is in ones place. So, multiply this with 1. After multiplying, you need to add all the numbers, that is 4000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 8, which gives you the expanded form for the given number. Take another example. Suppose if you have to write expanded form for the number 32,681. Here also you need to follow the same steps, that is, first make a place value chart and then arrange the given numbers in that place value chart. As you can see from this chart, 3 is in 10,000's place, so multiply it with 10,000. You will get 30,000. 2 is in thousands place, so multiply it with 1000. You will get 2000. 6 is in hundreds place. Multiply that with 100. You will get 600. And 8 is in tens place. Multiply that with 10. You will get 80. And 1 is in ones place. So multiply that with 1. Now sum up or add all the numbers. That is 30,000 plus 2000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 1, which will give you the expanded form for the given number. Now we will learn about consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers are defined as numbers that are obtained by adding 1 to that number. For example, if you have to write consecutive number for 63,255, how you will write that? To find its consecutive number, you need to add just 1 to the given number. So, 63,256 is the consecutive number for the given number. Now, let us see what is predecessor. The predecessor is the number obtained by subtracting 1 from it. Let us take an example. Suppose if you have to write the predecessor for the given number. Take a number, say 53,000. To find its predecessor, just subtract 1 from it. So, the predecessor for the given number is 52,999. Now, let's talk about successor. Successor is a number that is obtained by adding 1 to that number. For example, if you have to write successor for 32,788, you need to add just 1 to the given number. So, 32,783 is the successor for the given number. Children, I hope that you understood the concepts which I taught in this class. So, keep practicing all the sums related to this concept. Thank you and happy learning.